Hey guys, what I'd like to do today is give you my thoughts on these EKSA GT1 True Wireless Earbuds, which the company kindly sent out to me for review a couple of weeks ago. Now you can see in the box here that it does say that these are true wireless gaming earbuds, and the gaming side of things start with the gaming case, which normally flashes up. If I take one out, it should start flashing up here. So when it's charging, you will see that there is a battery indicator light. Now, it wasn't flashing before because it's fully charged, but yeah, you can see the earphones there. They're kind of like Alienware with the eyes there. But yeah, there's definitely a gaming feel to the branding side of things, but it's not just cosmetic. These earphones have two modes, a music mode and a game mode. And all you have to do is push the earphone for 2 seconds to switch between the two modes. And if this focuses, you can see, get into focus, come on. You can see here that the ultra low latency is 38 milliseconds. You can switch between the modes, and it has 30 hours ultra long life battery. Now, this is what all audio companies do now. They claim the longest battery life, but what you're going to get is up to 6 hours with the headphones themselves, with the earphones, but you'll get another 30 hours through this charging case. So you can see here that it's got a 50 milliamp battery in each earphone, but there's a 500 milliamp battery in this charging case. And this charging case is Type-C. So you get a little Type-C cable with it, which isn't the most practical. I think most people will do what I'll do and just use a longer Type-C charging cable, the one for your Android phone or whatever. But yeah, it's good. It's good that it is using a Type-C connection. We're still seeing some companies using micro B, but this is using Type-C, so that's good. Now, the headphones themselves, if I get it here, they come with kind of medium-size earbuds here in the middle, the little cups, ear cups. But there are larger ones and there are smaller ones. Now, personally, I found the default ones, the ones that it comes with, I've found those ones to be quite good. And I must say, the earphones are really comfortable. And that's not something I always say. You know, I've got a couple of other true wireless headphones. These are the Sony ones I've been using. These are okay, but they're kind of big and bulky. These are a little bit smaller. And I walked out with them today. I had my hat on over them, but I did feel them comfortable, and I didn't feel that they were going to fall out. I wouldn't recommend these for running, but I think for the gym, these would be fine. But yeah, audio quality is quite good. I do think that audio quality is good in them. Now, if you jump over to the website, you can see some of the features here. Like I said, it's got music mode, it's got a game mode, 38 milliseconds low latency. Now, I have been playing some Call of Duty with it today, but I'll be honest, I don't play enough mobile games to notice whether the latency is fantastic. And switching between the music mode and the game mode, there was a slight difference, but I didn't notice a massive difference. But maybe this is something other people will pick up. I don't have an ear for that myself. Of course, these earphones are not limited to mobile phones. You can use them with any device that works with Bluetooth. You won't be able to use them with a PlayStation system or with an Xbox system, but you can use them with your Nintendo Switch, and you can use them with your desktop PC or with your laptop. And earlier today, I connected the GT1s to my main PC, and I had one game of Call of Duty Warzone, but unfortunately, none of my friends were online for me to play games with, to test the microphone. But I did play one game, and I didn't have any problems at all with latency. I got the same experience as if the headset was connected with a cable. So from a latency point of view, the headphones do appear to live up to expectations. But you can see there that it's got 6 hours plus 30 hours, so it's a total of 36 hours in theory. I'm sure you're aware that it will be a little bit lower in practice. I've got a customizable in-ear fit, multi-function touch control, Bluetooth 5.0, Cobra box, 36 hours battery, hassle-free auto pairing. Now, with regards to pairing, yes, they are correct. It's very easy to pair these up. You simply take them out the box, they'll start auto pairing, and they will connect to your phone or your tablet or whatever. Now, there is no support for multiple devices, and that's something that I do like now in earphones. These connect to my laptop and my phone. These only connect to one device. But if you're using your phone all the time, or you're using your tablet all the time, just using it with one thing, that's not going to be an issue. But it would have been good to see support for multiple devices. Now, The ultra low latency thing, again, I mean, it is responsive. The audio does sound great, but I'm not sure how much of a market there is for this. There's clearly an issue for this for people that play, fast racing games and, first-person shooters on their phone. But I'm not sure how much of this is an issue in other headphones. When I've played games with other true wireless headphones, I've never noticed it to be an issue. But like I said, I don't play mobile games enough to notice that. But yeah, there's a lot to like about these. And you can see down the bottom here, they retail for $50 in the USA. And if you buy in the UK, for example, that's about £37. So the little manual that comes in the box is quite good. There's not a lot of pages, but it's all in English and it is straight to the point. On this side, you can see the package contents, specifications. It shows you how to pair. On the other side, you can see how those earphones work. So it shows you all the different commands, like tap twice to reject an incoming call. But you can see all this on the website as well. So you can see 1 tap to play pause, 1 to accept hang up a call, 2 to switch music, 3 for voice assistant, hold it in for switching game modes, etc. And for the most part, you will remember these. I think in most wireless earphones now, they're using a similar system for, how to hang up a call, how to play, how to pause, etc. So you shouldn't have to remember all that. You should be aware of it already, but you can refer to the manual if you're unsure. But yes, the website does explain everything that you need to know. For $50, around £37 in the UK, I can recommend the GT1s. The audio quality is good, the price is good, and the overall package here is good as well. The manual is quite short, but it's in English, it's to the point. Got a little short USB cable here. I do think a lot of people will just gravitate towards using their own mobile phone cable, but it is handy because this is quite a short cable, so you could put this in your jeans. And you could put the charging case in your jeans too. It's quite a small package, so it's easy to throw this in, in your jeans, in your jacket pocket, in your bag, etc. What I do like about this here is the charging light, because it does show you at a glance roughly how much battery you've got. As far as the ear cups go, I found the medium ones that come out of the box to be perfect, but you do have the large and the small ones there as well. But when it comes to comfort, these are fantastic. I've found these to be the most comfortable wireless earphones that I've used for a few years. With other solutions that I've used over the last few years, they've been a little bit big, a little bit bulky. Certainly these Sonys, they sometimes fall out because of that. Now, the benefit to companies doing that is that the audio quality can sometimes be better. The bass is really good in these, and the audio quality is really good. But the price you pay for that is big, bulky headphones. The audio quality is not as good here, but I was still really happy. I was really happy with it. The bass was acceptable for me. And I've been using this today, whilst playing games, whilst walking around the house, whilst going for a walk to the shops, and yeah, I was very happy. I just had to turn up the music a little bit when I was outside and I could hear cars going by. Now, the one thing I don't like here is the lights here, which is flashing because they're trying to pair. But when they're connected to your phone, they'll be like that. There'll be a fixed blue light. And I do appreciate these are marketed towards gamers, they're marketed towards teenagers. But as a man in his 40s, that is not a good look. But despite that, I do like these. And it's because the audio is good, but most importantly is, for me anyway, it's because the earphones fit really well. And that's not something I normally get with this style of headphones or earphones. So yes, quite happy with the package, and they are earphones that I can recommend. To find out more about the EKSA GT1 True Wireless Bluetooth game headset, please check out the official website. There's a lot of good information here. It explains exactly what you will get in the package. But until next time, thanks for watching and take care.